Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick video of this little clock radio that I bought many of years ago, but never showed off. I bought it at the Goodwill shop for like $3, and I figured it was unique because it's badged Bradford, and this camera continues to go out of focus, goddamn piece of shit. And I remember Bradford was like the house brand for the old W.T. Grant Corporation. And I shared this on one of the vintage groups or something. I said it was probably early 70s and possibly made by Panasonic. I mean, I have a pennies version with the AM FM, just like that, except the clock don't work. So, but before I do anything, here's the model number. It's a model 51144. Printed in Taiwan. Does it say Taiwan? Yeah, Taiwan. So it's probably Hong Kong or whatever. So yeah. There's the side. Earphone, alarm, radio. Nothing on the other side. And nothing on the back. Very simple. So you have your sleep, time alarm set, off on auto, tuning, and volume. So I'm going to plug this up and see what we got. Because last time when I plugged it up, all I got was dead air. What you can see is the light lights up, so we don't have a lighted dial. So, turn the volume down in case I don't want to have to be blasted. Huh. I don't remember the radio dial being lit up, but like I said, I haven't used this in so long, I can't remember, so... I heard something. Please don't let it be like that old Silvertone. I wonder if there's something else, I don't know, but... Well, obviously, there's no loudness because... So, but yeah. And it looks like the clock is dead, too, because it's been stuck at 4:38 since I started, so... Yeah. Oh well, that's that. Quick video of this little Bradford by WT Grand Clock Radio, Model 51144, possibly early 70s, and possibly made by Panasonic. Till next time, whenever it is, I'm asking thanks for watching. Comment box is open.